Shenyang Cheer Wash Equipment Company Limited, short as Cheer Wash, is Chinese national-level high-tech enterprise. With 69 national patents, copyrights, trademarks, and certifications, including but not limited to ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, European CE, Russian EAC, and etc. With 11 years experience in auto wash machines and 22 years experience in cleaning equipment, has become China's largest professional car wash machine factory, serving clients worldwide. Based on the professional Chinese industrial base Shenyang City, we have 360 degrees touchless car wash machine production line, contour following car wash machine production line, rollover, gantry, car wash machine production line, tunnel car wash system production line, bus and truck wash machine production line, self-service car wash machine production line. And every production line has its own engineer teams. We have 2 production bases totaling 16,000 square meter, 130 plus employees, an annual capacity of 5,000 machines. With great reputation of reliable quality, reasonable price, and considerate service, Cheer Wash is not only the most famous brand in China, but also internationally exporting to 90+ countries, with more than 7,000 machines in service all over the world now. Cheer Wash keeps growing rapidly. Cheer Wash mission: build advanced and reliable car wash machine. Cheer Wash vision: make car wash cheerful. Cheer Wash value: integrity, innovation, precision, efficiency.